People have an intimate relationship with coffee. For many, it's a morning ritual. For millions, it's a motivation to get out of bed. But it's only in the past few years we have started to understand the mystery of what contributes to coffee's flavor. I feel incredibly fortunate that every day when I get up, I get to create something that brings joy to people's lives, something that people love. When a coffee is truly great, it's really the effort put in place by a coffee farmer, a roaster, and a barista, all working in tandem together. We go to the greatest length to work directly with our coffee farmers. We are diligent about building a great company to work for and a great company within our community.
With all of the care and attention we give to each coffee we produce, it is important to us that our story is not lost on our customers. We've found that the best way to communicate what we are doing is not to lecture our customers about our coffees, but to apply that same level of care and attention to everything we do. From making sure our guests feel welcome in our cafes, to creating a compelling brand and building a great company to work for.
The reason people love our coffee is because we're going to the most extreme in sourcing our green coffee. We have a tremendous amount of control over what we're doing on the sourcing level, so we really are purchasing coffees that nobody else can get. It's extremely rare to get this sort of level of quality coffee.
Right now is an exciting intersection in time for coffee. There's an increasing demand for well-crafted coffees that produce interesting and dynamic flavor experiences, while at the same time we're living in an increasingly global and connected society. The result is that the coffees of today are crafted with more knowledge and intention than at any point in history, and are simply more delicious than ever.
One of the things that's really unique about Olympia coffee is the way we roast coffee. We have a roasting technique that we call caramelization. What we do is we focus on caramelizing the inherent sugars within the coffee. Our coffee is the sweetest, cleanest, most dynamic coffees out there in the world. This is a roasting style that we created ourselves. This roasting style is risky, it's dangerous, it's hard to do, but this effort pays off in the cup quality. At Olympia Coffee, we are always thinking ahead. We're always being innovative in what we do. We never take for granted all the things we have. And we are always trying to do better than we did yesterday.